Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Clear search history button of Safari is grayed out. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select Safari. Go down. Here we can see clear history and website data, but this option has been disabled. So I will show you how we can enable it. Go back. Go to settings. Under settings, we have to select screen time. Then select content and privacy restrictions. Select content restrictions. Select web content. Tap here. Then here we have to select unrestricted. Tap here and select unrestricted. Then go back. Go back to settings. Then select Safari. See, now if we go down here, we can see that option has been enabled. So this way we can fix this issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.